Beginner's Guide to Investing into Dividend Stocks and get a free stock. Are you in your 20s or in your 30s and want to travel the world or retire early? Do you want to earn a steady stream of passive income and retire early, or you just want to get out of traditional 9-to-5 job? Investing is the way to go. But isn't investing risky? The answer to that is yes and no. If you know what you are doing, it is one of the easiest ways to form of passive income you could earn. Watch this short, concise, informational-packed video help get started on your journey to financial freedom. For free. We all know that Warren Buffett is arguably one of the greatest investors of our time. He got $650 million just this year just from owning dividend stocks of Coca-Cola alone. Now ask yourself, how many Cokes do I drink a year without benefiting nothing but sugar and possible heartburn? He has other dividend stocks like Apple, Wells Fargo, Bank of America and many more that pays him millions of dollars each year just for investing into their companies while doing nothing physical but deciding if you want to spend or reinvest the dividends. Well, you might be thinking to yourself, how do I get passive income like that? Well, here on www.moneytalkshowtv.com we give you the free information and the tools you need to get started and start making your money work for you today. I was recently furloughed from my high-paying job earlier this year and was forced to start supporting my family with my dividends. That is one of the main reasons for starting this site, to inform and help people learn the powers of passive income and start investing. It is also another form of emergency funds because you never know when things change, and you lose that main income like I did. So here you go. You should invest a large portion of your money into dividend stocks to get to that point. But what if don't have that kind of money? You can buy dividend stocks for as little as $1 with the tools I will mention below. You can even get free stock worth up to $1,600 just by signing up for Robinhood and Webull for free. But with Webull you have to deposit at least $100 for your first deposit, and with Robinhood get your free stock when you use the link. Before we get into that, let us understand what dividends are. So, what is a dividend? A dividend is a payment made to investors who own stock in a company which is determined by its profits. It is like getting a check every year or quarter for % of the company sales. Some power companies have increased their yearly dividend for over 20+ years, like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, 3M, and Dover. Even like owning a real estate and renting it to others. You get rent on top of appreciation of property value. This means that your hard-earned money will start working on its own for you. Why do companies pay them? When a company makes profit, they have various choices: pay off debt, buy back its stock, reinvest into the company, pay dividends. Companies pay dividends to attract more investors. These payments can be paid monthly, quarterly, or annually. Types of dividends. Cash stock. As an investor, you have two choices. You can either take the dividend as a cash payment or reinvest the earnings to buy more shares in the company, which will increase the total amount you receive from your dividends. Benefits of owning dividend stock. Buying dividend stocks is the best investment you can do to get consistent passive income if you are in your 20s, in your mid-30s or 40s, or if even you have retired and have cash just sitting in your bank. It can produce a steady stream of passive income. It is great for the retired to get a steady stream of income to help if SSI is not enough. You can reap some serious benefits from owning a few stocks for a long period of time. Take advantage of compounding interest by using DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. How to get free dividend stock. You can now claim free stock worth up to $1,600 in companies like Apple, Ford, Facebook and many more. Sign up for free using our links provided for Robinhood and Webull and download the free app today and make a change. It is very easy to start investing. You can buy dividends from the comfort of your home or on lunch break while you're thinking about how much you could be making on top of your paycheck. Best strategy to buying dividends. What Warren Buffett suggests is buying stocks of companies that have been public for about 10 years or more. Do your research and choose which companies you believe in. There are also free apps and websites listed below that help you with all the numbers into ratings for simpler understanding. Who should invest in dividends? Although this type of investment is ideal to older people, but even millennials are now beginning to see the value in owning dividend stocks, which can generate a steady stream of passive income that also appreciates in value. If you are in your 20s or 30s and trying to start a retirement fund, if you are a parent trying to save for your child's college, or you are looking to build a steady stream of passive income, choosing the right dividend stocks and keeping them for a long time would definitely lead you to financial freedom. Why you should invest in dividend stocks. Owning dividends defies the saying that goes like money doesn't grow on trees. It is a lower risk investment. You are already buying stocks of proven companies like Apple, Facebook, etc. Reliable stream of passive income. Your dividends can pay for your vacation, your child's college, or even start a business. How to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Which stock to buy? The simple trick here is to buy shares in large, stable, public companies like Apple, Facebook, Ford, Johnson & Johnson, and so many more. I advise to choose wisely of your own choice with some of the tools that we provide for you. We are not financial advisors and do not recommend any stock, just here to give beginners the knowledge and tools to begin. Traditionally, you needed an account with a broker to purchase dividend stocks. But now you can buy, sell, or even day trade plus get and claim a free stock worth of about $1,600 from the comfort of your home. Platforms like Robinhood, where you can invest in companies like Tesla for just $1. With the free brokerage account on Webull and you deposit $100 as your first deposit, they will give you a free stock to own. Benefits of using Robinhood and Webull. If you're just getting started with trading, Robinhood and Webull are the ideal places to start. Here's some reasons why. Easily accessible through mobile apps. Entering trades is simple and straightforward. Easy to use with helpful guides for beginners. No minimum deposit required. You can also invest in fractional shares for as little as $1. No commission fees, no account minimum, no trade fees. Conclusion. Now you know benefits of investing in dividend stocks. Create an account for free and begin your investing journey by using our tools and resources that you will need to begin investing today. The Money Talk Show TV is here to encourage and inform you of the benefits of passive income towards financial freedom. And remember, only can get into the way of your destiny. Please follow us on social media to help encourage financial freedom. Please note that all the links we provide in the video description are affiliate links, and at no extra cost to you I will get a free stock as you will when you sign up. This helps us maintain this website and keep this information free. Spread positivity and the blessings will unfold. Please support and help us spread the powers of investing so that you can start making your money work for you.